Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today, we're going to draw one of the tallest animals in the world, a graceful giraffe. So grab your paper and pencils, and let's get started. Today you will see the difference. I won't show you how to draw anymore. Instead, I will tell you information about the animal you will draw. If you like, please comment or click like to let me know. Thanks! Giraffes are amazing animals with long necks that make them the tallest animals in the world. They live in Africa, where they love to eat leaves from the tops of trees that other animals can't reach. Giraffes have beautiful brown spots all over their yellowish bodies, which help them blend into the trees and bushes. Their long legs help them run really fast to escape from predators, and their long necks allow them to see far across the savanna. Even though they are so tall, giraffes are gentle and calm animals. Baby giraffes, called calves, are already taller than most humans when they are born. Isn't that incredible? Have it, a powerful lion, king of the jungle, standing proudly in its habitat. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.